Shanghai tourist attractions and food. Shanghai, as China's largest and most cosmopolitan city, offers a plethora of tourist attractions, historical sites, and delicious cuisine. Here are some must-see attractions and food recommendations for your visit. Tourist attractions. 1. The Bund. This waterfront promenade offers stunning views of the city's skyline and historical colonial-era buildings. It's a great place for a leisurely walk and to soak up the atmosphere of the city. 2. Yu Garden, a traditional Chinese garden with beautiful pavilions, ponds, and bridges. This serene space offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. 3. Oriental Pearl Tower, standing at 468 meters tall, this iconic tower offers panoramic views of the city from its observation decks, as well as a revolving restaurant and a glass-bottomed walkway. 4. Nanjing Road, Shanghai's premier shopping district, where you can find everything from luxury international brands to local souvenirs. 5. Tianzifang, a charming neighborhood filled with narrow alleys, unique shops, art galleries, and cafes. 6. Jade Buddha Temple, an active Buddhist temple that houses 2 beautiful Jade Buddha statues. Food recommendations. 1. Xiaolongbao, steamed soup dumplings filled with juicy pork and a rich, savory broth. 2. Shengjianbo, pan-fried pork buns with a crispy bottom and a soft, fluffy top. 3. Scallion oil noodles, noodles tossed in a fragrant sauce made from scallion oil and soy sauce. 4. Yang's fried dough twists, youtiao, deep-fried dough sticks that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, often served with warm soy milk. 5. Hairy crab, a seasonal delicacy, typically available from September to November. These crabs are prized for their sweet and tender meat. 6. Sautéed river shrimp, fresh shrimp stir-fried with green onions and a light, savory sauce. Don't forget to try some of the city's vibrant street food scene and explore local markets to discover even more culinary delights. Enjoy your time in Shanghai. Pudong is a district in Shanghai, China, known for its impressive skyline with several tall buildings. Some of the most notable skyscrapers in Pudong include 1. Shanghai Tower, at 632 meters, 2,073 feet, it is the tallest building in China and the second tallest in the world, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. The building features a unique twisted design and has 128 floors. 2. Shanghai World Financial Center, this skyscraper stands at 492 meters, 1,614 feet, and has 101 floors. Its distinctive design includes a large trapezoidal opening at the top, resembling a bottle opener. 3. Jinmao Tower, this 88-story building reaches a height of 420.5 meters, 1,380 feet. Its design combines traditional Chinese architectural elements with modern style. The tower houses offices, a hotel, and an observation deck. For Oriental Pearl Tower, though not strictly a building, this iconic TV and radio tower stands at 468 meters, 1,535 feet, and is easily recognizable due to its distinct design featuring large spheres. The tower also houses an observation deck, a revolving restaurant, and exhibition facilities. 5. Bank of China Tower, this 258 meters, 846 feet, tall building has a unique design featuring an angled exterior with triangular patterns. New skyscrapers are constantly being built, so this list may not be comprehensive or up-to-date beyond 2021. Shanghai, one of the most dynamic and modern cities in the world, is also home to numerous old towns and streets that reflect its rich history and cultural heritage. These neighborhoods provide a fascinating glimpse into the past and offer a unique experience for both locals and visitors. Here are some notable old towns and streets in Shanghai. 1. Old City of Shanghai, Nanshi, also known as Nanshi. The Old City of Shanghai is a historical area located in the heart of the city. It is surrounded by a circular wall built during the Ming Dynasty. Some of the key attractions in this area include the Yu Garden, City God Temple, and Huxinting Tea House. 2. Tianzifang, a labyrinth of narrow alleys filled with boutiques, galleries, cafes, and bars. Tianzifang is an artsy enclave in the former French concession. The area retains its traditional Shikuman architecture, which combines Chinese and Western architectural elements. 3. Xintiandi, another area within the former French concession. Xintiandi is a pedestrian-friendly district that features renovated Shikuman houses. It has become a popular spot for dining, shopping, and nightlife, with a mix of traditional architecture and modern elements. 4. Zhujiajiao, often referred to as the Venice of Shanghai, Zhujiajiao is an ancient water town located about 50 kilometers, 31 miles, from downtown Shanghai. With a history of over 1,700 years, it features well-preserved ancient bridges, canals, and houses. 5. Qibao Ancient Town, located in the Minhang district, Qibao is a small ancient town with a history dating back more than 1,000 years. It is known for its traditional architecture, picturesque canals, and vibrant local culture. Some of the key attractions include Qibao Temple, Qibao Old Street, and the Cricket House. 6. Duoluan Road Cultural Street, a pedestrian street in the Hongkou district. Duoluan Road is famous for its historical buildings and cultural significance. It was once a gathering place for famous Chinese writers and artists, including Lu Xun and Mao Dun. Today, it is home to various cultural institutions, bookstores, and art galleries. 7. Wukong Road, situated in the former French concession, Wukong Road is a tree-lined street that features a mix of European-style mansions and traditional shikumen houses. It is often regarded as one of the most beautiful streets in Shanghai, offering a unique blend of history, architecture, and charm. Shanghai, as a multicultural metropolis, boasts an impressive mix of religious architecture that includes temples, Taoist temples, and churches. Here are some of the most notable ones you can visit. 1. Jade Buddha Temple. Buddhist. This famous temple was built in 1882 and is known for housing two beautiful jade Buddha statues, one seated and one reclining. The temple also features stunning architecture and a vibrant atmosphere. 2. Longhua Temple. Buddhist. As one of the oldest and largest Buddhist temples in Shanghai, Longhua Temple dates back to the Song dynasty. It features the Longhua Pagoda, a 7-story structure with an octagonal design, and an impressive collection of Buddhist statues and relics. 3. City God Temple. Taoist. This Taoist temple, located in the old city of Shanghai, is dedicated to the city god and various other deities. It's a lively area filled with shops, restaurants, and traditional architecture. For Chenghuang Miao, Taoist. Another city god temple, Chenghuang Miao is a bustling area in the heart of Shanghai, featuring a temple complex, the famous Yuyuan Garden, and a commercial district with shops, tea houses, and eateries. 5. Qibao Temple. Buddhist. This ancient temple, located in the Qibao ancient town, is known for its beautiful architecture and tranquil atmosphere. It is a perfect destination for those looking to explore a quieter, more historic side of Shanghai. 6. St. Ignatius Cathedral, Catholic. This Gothic-style cathedral, also known as Zhujiawi Cathedral, is the largest Roman Catholic church in Shanghai. Built in 1910, it features beautiful stained glass windows, high ceilings, and a serene atmosphere for worship. 7. Moore Memorial Church, Protestant. Located near People's Square, this church, also known as Muen Church, was built in 1887 in a Gothic style. It is a hub for Shanghai's Protestant community and offers services in both Chinese and English. These are just a few of the many religious sites you can explore in Shanghai, reflecting the city's rich cultural diversity and history. Shanghai Xishan, also known as Xishan Hill or Mount Xishan, is a popular tourist destination located in the Songjiang district of Shanghai, China. This scenic area is about 35 kilometers southwest of downtown Shanghai and is part of the Xishan National Forest Park. Xishan Hill consists of two peaks, East Xishan and West Xishan, with the latter being the highest at 100 meters above sea level. The area is known for its lush greenery, diverse flora and fauna, and beautiful landscapes, making it a great escape from the bustling city life. There are several attractions around Xishan Hill that cater to different interests. Some of the most notable sites include 1. The Basilica of Our Lady of Xishan, a Roman Catholic church built in 1935, which features a blend of Chinese and Western architectural styles. The basilica is an important pilgrimage site for Chinese Catholics and offers stunning views of the surrounding area. 2. Xishan Observatory, established in 1900, this is one of the oldest observatories in China. It houses a museum, a solar telescope, and an impressive collection of astronomical instruments. 3. Xishan Golf Club, a world-class golf course that has hosted international tournaments and offers a challenging yet picturesque experience for golf enthusiasts. 4. Qinshan Botanic Gardens, a large botanical garden that showcases a diverse range of plant species, including many rare and endangered varieties. 5. Happy Valley Shanghai, an amusement park located at the foot of Xishan Hill, which offers thrilling rides, attractions, and entertainment for visitors of all ages. Shanghai Xishan is well connected by public transport, making it easily accessible for both locals and tourists. It is a popular destination for hiking, picnicking, and enjoying various outdoor activities in a natural setting.